Where are we going?
Dunkin'.
Hi! Happy 4 months! Let's go to Dunkin'.
Mommy, what is that?
Alright guys, happy Saturday. Ivan works, so we're just going to Dunkin'. The kids woke up and they basically said, I want to go to Dunkin'. So I just loaded my gremlins in the car and we're gonna head out. Super simple songs, here we come. So I decided to stop at Starbucks too because I don't really care for Dunkin's coffee. So I'm gonna get me a little toasted vanilla something. I forgot what it's called. I wanted to take the car to the car wash because I have bird crap all over the hood of my car, but it's probably gonna rain. The clouds are like super gray.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. Let's get started for you.
Hi, can I have a venti brown sugar oatmeal shaken espresso with light ice?
Yeah, what else for you?
And then can I get some free grounds for our garden?
Oh, unfortunately, it looks like we are out of our brown sugar syrup.
Oh no, okay. Can I just get venti vanilla ice coffee with oat milk then? With light ice?
Alright, this bag is large and heavy, so do you want to try, if you want, you can pull around and we can bring it to you outside, or
Okay.
you can try to transfer it like this if you think we can handle that.
How big is it? That'll work, I can. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, of course. It'll be $4.90. There you go.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Have a good one. We got our free coffee grounds. We have a little garden that we just planted. Well, Mason and Ivan just planted. They did cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers. What else did you put? Watermelon. What else did you put in your garden, Mason? We didn't do pumpkin yet. It's too early for pumpkin. Since I'm driving now, I'm going to stop recording. Okay, now we are at Dunkin'. Naomi fell asleep. What I'd like to do today is take Naomi's 4-month pictures. So probably when we get home and she wakes up.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Dunkin'. Order whenever you're ready.
Hi, can I get the 25 count munchkins assorted?
Okay.
And then can I also get a plain bagel with cream cheese?
Okay. What else?
That would be all.
Okay. Good for you, Linda.
Thank you.
$10.97.
Thank you. Because Mason's all the way in the 3rd row, I have to pull over, literally get out of the car, and give him the donuts. But I found like a little shortcut just because it's like on a busy street, so it's so hard to get out. But I found like this back way, and I know that you shouldn't cut through like businesses and apartments, but I definitely cut through apartments. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over right here so I can give the kids the donuts. Donuts, do you want? Right one? Yeah. How good?
Are you already eating them?
Sis? I still need to clean my car from our trip to Disneyland. It's a disaster, a complete disaster. Before I start driving, I'm gonna have my bagel. I actually really enjoy Dunkin' Donuts bagels with cream cheese. I used to get the bagels with cream cheese from Starbucks, but it's just not the same. They like literally make you do it yourself. And then I feel like when they toast it, they like over toast it. Dunkin' is just perfect. Except for not today. What is that? Where is the cream cheese? I like when they oversaturate my bagel with cream cheese. This will be my breakfast. I know I'm crazy, but I don't know if you can see. Look at how dirty the hood of my car is. The kids love going to the car wash, so I'm just gonna do it. Just the basic one.
Basic?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's gonna be $10.78.
Are you ready for the car wash? Car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash. There's so many cars here. Like the clouds are literally gray. But hey. Car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash. I hate going in here because I always feel like my tires are not gonna line up. Okay, so it's not like 100% clean, but this is a lot better. And I was able to get rid of all the crumbs from when we went to California because the kids had Skittles and chips and everything else and they just smushed it on the floor, huh, Mason?
Yeah.
You stinker. You can put the heart on the floor.
And fall.
I'm gonna lay you right here, okay? We're gonna take some pictures because everyone's up today. Hi. Hi, my 4-month girl. We have so many boxes I have to break down. And then yesterday I also did an Instacart order at Sam's, so we got those boxes. But like the reason why we have so many boxes is my friend works for Jetson and she sent the kids bikes and also a scooter. So you saw that Mickey Mouse scooter on top. It is missing a piece, so we haven't been able to give it to the kids. She's sending us a replacement. But then also my friend sent Naomi a box of diapers. And it would just, you know, I'm back at work, so I didn't get to break everything down. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna break down some boxes and see how much I can fit into our recycling bin. Recycling does come every Tuesday, so worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to wait until after Tuesday to put the rest of the boxes.
Alright guys, that's all for today. here's my kayaks. In case you guys want to subscribe to my channel, hit me up.
Keep going.
I'm going back in the
Ay, ándale. And you're not gonna pedal? You're just gonna have Nana push you? So we are gonna do movie night. We're trying to get the kids used to being in the theater. And Mason picked Finding Dory. Are you guys ready for movie night?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna fall asleep again, sis? Look at you chilling.
Come on.
I see you, silly.